within the project, you could have multiple agile teams. This is very much possible. So both the teams are working on the same project objectives, and in this situation, the team B has got dependent on the task, on a task which team A is working on, and team A is delaying that because of something that they have not really talked about what is causing that delay, but that task may be delayed, and that of course team A is going to be delayed, or their velocity is going to be less in that sprint, but their work is causing an impact to team B, which has nothing to do on their end for this task. They are just getting delayed because of team A, which is going to be non-professional and like slightly, unfair as well. So on the professional conduct ground as well, this is unfair to team B, that they they will be impacted because of something which is happening at team A end. So in this case, what should be done? What should be the right thing to do? The right thing to do is that team B gets some flexibility of that. So the right thing is that both team A and team B goes to the product owner, as the project is same. So the product owner is also going to be the same person for both teams, and both team and or their representatives go to the product owner and explains the situation to them and ask for a reprioritization of the iteration backlog, so that at least team B does not get delay because of that situation, right? So work with the product owner to reprioritize the iteration backlog, at least for team B, ideally for both team, but at least for team B, so that it does not delay the work by the other team, which is team B or any other team, right? Now, increasing the sprint length is never a solution, and none of you have gone for that. So I think it's clear that why not C? Insists that the project team works a bit harder to complete on time. See, in the practical world, we have this habit of like just pressurizing or pressing those members which are like, which works under you, or which are easy to approach or easy to piss off, in other words. But without knowing what is the problem or what is delaying that task, even if you request people to work harder, how can we ensure that the problem is going to be resolved? There is no guarantee. If the problem is known or the risk is known in detail from team A, then we can think of that yes, probably more helping hands or crashing or things like that may work out. But for that, we need more context, right? And unnecessary pressing or unnecessary over allocating team members, at least in the standards, is not allowed. Most of the people went for option D, ask the team members to perform to the best of their abilities during iteration and engage in a retrospect at the completion of iteration. Now, why not this option? Because I think 3 to 4 members went for this. See, ask the team members to perform to the best of their abilities during the iteration. This part is okay, or at least this is something that you can request the team members that whatever best you can do to resolve this issue or solve this problem, you do it. That's fine. But engage them in a retrospective after the completion of iteration. What does that sound like? It sounds like a reactive approach. Like you are sitting on, you know that this is a situation, you very well know that it's not impacting us as team A, but it also impacts team B or maybe other teams as well. And we are still sitting on it. And we are saying that if it is happening, let it be. And we will see that in the retrospective, like passive acceptance. Is that the right thing to do? Passive acceptance is only the right thing to do when you genuinely have no other solution or alternative available. Genuinely. In this case, you have multiple possibilities available, out of which B is one of them. Right? So this is a reactive approach, which is also termed as passive acceptance in risk management. So although if this similar situation happens in our project or in our organization, we would be very tempted to go with D, or we probably already go with D when this happens. But D is not the best thing to do, to be very honest with you. The best thing to do is something which gives you a proactive and timely solution.